How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and this one, as you can see here, we have a AI influencer powered by AI and has over 300K of followers. That means it's an important number. That means a lot of real people followed her, so you can or you have opportunity to create one and start earning money with it. So this is an AI influencers, that means it doesn't exist. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. And in this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencers is creating your AI character. But don't you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and then type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can click which one you want and then you can sign up. But before signing up, you can just go to these options and figure out what is about. So here we have use cases, features, resources, company pricing, a lot of information here. You can read it to more understand. If we scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character explaining a specific topic, so you can use this AI character to create your own video with your own topics. So it depends on your content on your YouTube channel. And we have a lot of AI characters explaining the other ones. For example, this one is explaining some topics about product marketing, and here for sales outreach, and here for learning and development, content marketing. So it depends on what you want. If we more scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of AI characters, so you can choose the one you or the one suits you, and then you're gonna start earning money. So only thing you have to do is click on get start and enter your email, your verification code. Then you wanna or you gonna answer for a few questions and you gonna sign up. If you sign up, you will have an account on this website and it will lead you to this homepage. So this is the homepage. As you can see here, we have my recent creations. As if we more scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of things that can help you to improve your understanding on this website. So here we have a lot of things. For example, a hygiene learning guide that can help you to more understand how AI studio works, how video avatar works. The same thing for AI voice video translation. If we more scroll down, you'll find a lot of templates that can help you to create yours, so you can start with which one you want here. It's depend on your content. As I mentioned, as you can see, there's a various AI character explaining or introducing topics on templates, so you can choose the one you want and then you can start. And if you want to create your own video, I mean on YouTube, you can just start with avatar, so you can choose which one you want by clicking here video avatar. So you can go to studio avatar and then you will find various one. So if we more scroll down, you'll find various one as I mentioned, so you can choose the one you want, the one suits you. For example, let's choose this one. Here we have the description of the AI Matthew and flowered shirt. This three dot if you want to edit avatar, of you if you want to get avatar ID, and this one if you want to start creating your video. So we're gonna click here. we're gonna click on the landscape to start our own video or YouTube video. So let's click over here. As you can see, a lot of options will appear to edit our video. So this is our AI character. You can change the place, so you can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle. You can also zoom it if you want, so you can determine the size you want. And then here we have animation, so you can add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave, or you can also add a script, so you can delete that one, and then you can add it yours, so you can add it here another one, and between two scripts you can add a pause section, so it maybe it will be 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. It depends on how you want your content or your script. Here we have the recording if you want to edit it, and this if you want to employ audio. So if you find some difficulties on creating script, so you can just go to GPT script writer, and then you can start yours by clicking over here, by typing the topic, and it will help you to create one. You can also here translate all scripts to a specific language by selecting the language that you want, and then as you can see a lot of languages appear, and then you can start with. So here we have a lot of options that can help you to uh, improve or make your video more professional. So we have here also voices, so you can go to the voices. As you can see here, we have a various type of voices: natural, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and a lot of languages. So you can find the language you want, and then you can select it, and then you can start with. And this is the gender. As you can see, it's male voice, because of course I already choose the AI character male. And here we have age. You can choose the voice you want: child voice, kid voice, middle age voice, older voice. Here we have I already have a voice because I already choose the AI character, so it will be of course with voice. Here we have functions, so you can adjust your voice. It's depend on how you want it. So this is a lot of options, as I mentioned, can help you to edit your video. And if you have finished, you can just click on submit, and then your video will be ready to publish it on YouTube channel. So there's a lot of ways to use this video to earn money. So you can start, for example, as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com. So this platform offers affiliates. So for example, if you start as an affiliate, it will offer you flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing you to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnership, you can earn your commissions on sale. So all that using this AI character. So you can put the links, because it will be generated through your referral links, so you can put it on the or on the YouTube channel, and then you're gonna start. Or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI influencer. It can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about, and this could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. So make sure that just the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.